Hey beautiful people, so happy Friday. So welcome to a new vlog. So it is Friday night and it's moving on to almost 7 o'clock, and I have a hair appointment that I'm heading to right now. We have to get our hair done today because for the rest of the weekend we have no time. So we're just fully dressed casually. Show you guys in my long mirror and we're gonna head out. So I just wanted to start the vlog here. Hope y'all are good, and then yeah, we are gonna head out to our hair appointment right now. So I stopped at Radio's to just get some soup because I am starving and my hair probably gonna take like, I don't know, 2 hours, hour and a half to do, and I don't want to go hungry because I will feel like crap after.
Are you in order? One small one?
Yeah. How much for it?
250 dear.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow.
Happy Saturday, beautiful people. What's up? So we got our hair done yesterday, as you guys saw. Well, not yesterday, last night, as a matter of fact. And we need to do a pedicure today. I'm still contemplating if I need to put on nails, which I'm gearing towards just doing press-ons. Like, I'm just like a press-ons girly. Like, I have a bad habit of biting my nail and all of that. So putting on like acrylic and all of that, it just doesn't work for me unless it's like a really like good occasion. Like, I just want to like just do that for, but what I need to do, it's not really, I mean, I can wear press-ons, so it's not like a big of a deal of where, you know, of my maintenance of where I need to go. So it is a big deal, but I think the press-ons work, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but we'll see. But toes we're gonna do, and yeah, we want to do our lashes. I wanted to actually try cluster lashes. I found somewhere in the Half a Tree vicinity, but I probably just gonna go home and do it myself, to be honest, y'all. I'm just like a DIY type of girl, save money type of girl. If something that I can do, which I don't mind, I am gonna do it myself. So I'll probably just do my lashes and the press-ons, but we'll see how that goes. We did buy some Burger King because we left our house without eating as usual. I got an American sandwich because I haven't eaten in ages, so I'm just gonna do that. By the way, I did pick up some packages not too long ago. We got some stuff, a lot of stuff from Amazon and Shein, so we may just do a haul on that. But I'm just gonna have my food and then we're gonna head to our appointment and just finish what we need to get done today. So I will chat to you guys later.
She so cold, she can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me, oh no. Broke me to a tiny piece, she wrong. Felony, oh. Yeah, felony, oh. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me. I do me, she love me. I do me, she want me, she don't need no money. She really running, really on a run, she really something. Maybe honestly,
Hey beautiful people, so it's been a few days since the last time I picked up my phone to video, but it's still a maintenance vlog. Right now, I know I'm looking crazy, but I need some curls in this hair. The hair that I have in is a body wave. Y'all saw when I did that in a couple of days ago. It was actually a couple of days ago. And I also did my nails. I just choose to do press on because it's just way cheaper, and I have so many press-ons. Like each time, what I normally do, once I'm buying something from Shein, I just add press-ons as well, so that way I don't run out, you know. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, I know I'm looking crazy, but yeah, I'm trying to get some curls in my hair. And I did purchase the headband curling one, you know, the single one that you put around the head and curl. That one, I did purchase it like a couple months ago, and I cannot find it. I have no clue where it is, so we had to go back to the old days where we use a single one and then wrap up here. So that's what we're gonna work with. But anyways, the last thing that we have to do, well, actually not the last thing. So I think one of the most important thing I forgot to do is this, my brows. And remember, y'all know my story if you have been, you know, on this YouTube journey with me. When it comes down to my brows, I'm very specific as to who do my brows, and I haven't found any new barber as yet. So the last time I had to do it myself, and I think I'm gonna do it myself tonight. Maybe not on camera because I need to focus on all of that, but we're gonna have to fix this. When I do my, you know, brows really enhances your face. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do these. That's a bug. Anyways, we're gonna be doing our lashes. The last time I think I did vlog and do my lashes is the same lashes that I had bought from Shein. So we're gonna do our lashes together, and I think that would wrap up our maintenance vlog. But yeah, it is definitely DIY low maintenance maintenance vlog. Yeah. So we're gonna get into our brows, and I hope y'all reach this far in the video. Remember to just comment, drop any comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and like the video as well if you guys are still here with me. Yeah. So this is the same lash extension that I got from Shein, so we're gonna be using this. There's so many that's left, but we're gonna use this. And yeah, figure out, I have no idea which one I'm gonna use yet, but we're just gonna figure it out and just go with the flow. And of course, you gotta have your tweezers, and then the kit did come with the bond and seal and and the lash removal. So yeah, it came with the bond and seal, lash removal. I definitely want something very classy, not long, like just something that's soft and natural, basically. All right, I think it looks okay so far. I don't think I need any more. I could put like a short one right here at the end here, but I don't think I want to do that. So tell me guys, how do you think? What do you think? It looks perfect actually. Then I need to put the seal on it so it don't drop off our road. So we are finished with our lashes. I think they look okay. I don't think these are the best ones that I've ever done, but it looks okay, right? As long as we can see a difference in our face, then we're all good. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video, or maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow when I take these down, because I'm just very intrigued as how this is gonna look. I did just damp the hair a little teeny bit, so it's not a lot. So hopefully the curls are there where the curls formed good, because I didn't like damp it a lot. So I told y'all that hey, we're gonna wrap up this video right now, but I need to take these things out and let's see how it looks together. And let me just tell y'all, sleeping with these, it's just, yo, sleeping with them last night, it was a challenge. Like, it was really a challenge sleeping with these things. Okay. Oh, it's just my natural hair. I need to curl. I'm loving it. Ooh. We're gonna have to just use these and just sleep uncomfortable. What? Okay, curl. The curls are giving, which was expected. Yo, the way how I haven't used these stuff in a long time, like, oh wow. I'm in love with these curls. Oops, which way did I twist it? Okay, y'all, these are a vibe. Okay, I am loving the curls. I just need to fix the top of my hair, my natural hair, and it's good to go. In the interim, y'all, we are gonna try to fix our curls and figure out how we like it. And yeah, we got things to do, places to go. Yeah, it's cute. So I'm definitely gonna try to fix it. I do have my wand, so I can definitely like curl my natural hair. So that's what I'm actually gonna do later. Take my curling iron and just curl up here, my natural hair. But yeah, it's looking good. All right, y'all, that's it. So I just wanna show you guys what's going on with these curls. And they are looking amazing. Okay, bye guys.